everyone. So today I'm gonna prepare a coffee chocolate cake. Coffee is a special ingredient that I'm using for the coffee chocolate cake. This is the festive season going on. Today is Thanksgiving, so I'm preparing the coffee chocolate cake. And for that, you need a baking tray, parchment paper. Let's start by greasing it. So now you need 3/4 cup cocoa powder. Now our special ingredient. This is water. It's a boiled water. And now this is my special ingredient, coffee powder. This is the espresso instant coffee powder I'm putting in this. It's a 1 tablespoon. You can just stir it. Now we have to just stir it well and combine it, both the mixture, the cocoa powder and the coffee powders. Now you need to put 3/4 cup vegetable oil. Now after putting oil, you need to add the 1.5 cup crushed sugar. You need to give it a good mix until all the sugar dissolved it. We will add 1 cup of yogurt. You can use the whisk also. And for our dry ingredients, so we will put 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and then we need to strain it with the help of strainer. And then we just need into this. Okay. After mixing all the ingredients, you have to mix it well so that no lumps should be left. And the consistency should be like smooth.
So this is preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Then we have
Now we have to start baking for 35 minutes.
once it get cooled down, you can just separate it out with a knife. The edges are smooth or not, just like this. And then this is the final result. Voila! And I have put the chocolate ganache. That is a different recipe. I will share it, the chocolate ganache recipe, in a different video. Thank you for watching till the end.